Good day everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. And now I want to show you our place. And now I'm going to visit my garden. And there is the plant of our neighbor, the corn fields. And I have also a little one. There, very I need to walk. And I like here we have lots of coconut trees and we can plant any you want, anything you want to, and you can eat coconut too. You need to climb it, and it is good for us to hike, to walk, to exercise every day, and enjoy the nature. Even though we're not meet in person, but I will show you a place here so that in my warm greetings. Here is maglampas. Very